In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect MacthTrader to Fundednext Account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to Fundednext.com. Once you're inside of here, it should be looking something like this. And then from here it's time to create or start a challenge. And to do that, you'll simply need to go down to where it says Start Challenge right here. From here you'll need to choose the best plan. And here you'll be able to choose from still a 2-step, still a 1-step, still a light, still an instant, or if you want to trade futures, you can also click here to see the futures plan. From here you'll be able to add in account size, where you can choose from either 6k to 200k accounts, and the price will vary of about $60 to $1,100. From here you'll just need to click on the specific challenge that you want to start and click Get Plan. Once from here it should look something like this, and here it is very important that you choose MacthTrader down here for $25 plus. From here you'll need to select the swap type, either a normal swap account or a swap free account where the price will be increased by 10%. From here you will need to add in add-ons, where you can add in lifetime rewards, no minimum trading days, 150% rewards, bi-weekly reward, and double up price. From here you'll simply need to click I agree to the terms and services, and I confirm that my card matches the legal name of my account. From here you'll simply need to click Get Started to get started with your account. From here you can see here, let's get started with your Fundednext challenge, and here you'll need to enter in your email address that you'll be sent the MacthTrader code and information credentials to, so you can get into your MacthTrader account. Once from here, you'll click Next, and then add in your password for the specific account. Once from here, you'll need to find the plan that you want to pay with, either MasterCard or crypto, and you'll just add in your credit card details or crypto details and pay for your challenge. Once from here, you'll get an email confirming that you have purchased this account, and you'll get your login credentials for MacthTrader. Once from here you'll need to go up to MacthTrader.com, and then you'll need to click the login page right here. From here you'll need to go over to the email that you have used for your Fundednext account, and your password that you also used for your Fundednext account. From here you'll simply need to click Sign In. And from here, you'll have successfully connected MacthTrader to Fundednext, and you can start trading using that specific account. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!